I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
Watch this video to learn how to reconcile statement lines using spend and receive money transactions. From the home page, click Reconcile Items on the account you want to reconcile. Use spend or receive money transactions for bank statement lines that don't require purchase bills or sales invoices. Bank interest received, bank charges, and over-the-counter purchases are common examples. Xero has predicted a transaction using the details in the statement line. Check the account code is accurate. You can choose a different code if needed. Add a short description so you know what the transaction was for. Xero sets the tax rate based on the default rate for the chart of account code. You can use the drop-down to change the tax rate as needed. Then, click OK to reconcile. We've got a statement line for W.H. Smith that hasn't been matched to a transaction in Xero. Using the Create tab on the right-hand side of the Bank Reconciliation screen, create a spend money transaction. To create the transaction, Xero needs to know the who, what, and why. Enter the contact's name in the Who field. If it's not an existing contact, click New Contact. Choose an account to categorize the transaction in the What field. And add a short description so you know what the transaction was for in the Why field. Check the tax rate is accurate or change it as needed. Once you've entered the information, click OK to reconcile. Xero remembers the information you entered and applies it to other transactions when it recognizes the same details, such as the payee. This is known as a memorized transaction. All you need to do is click OK to reconcile it. If you're happy, it should be categorized the same. Now you can reconcile bank statement lines using spend and receive money transactions.